So I have my dog's leash right now, and my dog is catching another cat. My hair got ruined running also to get the leash. So yeah, the cat was so scared. I don't even know where the cat went, and my hair is literally getting ruined. My dog. My dog is not scared of any dogs because do you know what happened one time? One time when I was taking my dog for a walk, there were like a lot of big dogs. They were bigger than her. And they were like 4 or 5 big dogs. And they were stray dogs, and my dog wasn't even scared of them. My dog was running out after them herself. They should have been running after her. My dog is not scared of them.